Oh, if you turn the flash on it, it gives a good light. That's what we needed with all the other videos. Okay, so we're going to make water jiggly slime. We need clear glue.
Camera girl.
Food coloring, which I'm doing blue. And I'm not doing any measurements because it's my first time doing this. And then water.
Whoa!
I need a spatula.
That
That little spatula in the dryer.
That's damn good. That's so cool. That's so good. That's so good. I see you. What you doing?
And you just keep stirring. We use half a bottle of this glue. You don't have to use Elmer's. I'm using the cheap Crazy Art brand.
I'm looking at
And just a whole bottle of water. And then you just keep stirring. And then once you have the water and the glue stirred and the food coloring, just add borax solution, which is 1 teaspoon of borax to 1 cup of water. Or you can make it weaker with a half a teaspoon of borax with 1 cup of water. You getting it on there, Eva? You getting the video on the...
Mm-hmm.
Here.